Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to view deleted messages on Instagram. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Instagram application, and once you're inside the Instagram, you will be appeared with your Instagram newsfeed on your screen. So what you gotta do is click on that little profile icon and then go ahead and click on the menu, and what you gonna do is click on your activity, scroll all the way down and click on download your information and then request a download, and then select the account you want to download the information of. Once you do that, click on select types of information, and once it's done, go ahead and select the messages and click on next. Once you do that, click on submit request. So your information or your deleted message will be downloaded within a few hours or within a few days. So once it's downloaded, you can go on your file and check it. So that's all guys. This is how easily you can view deleted messages on Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.